Why don't I receive any emails from BetMGM? Fix not receiving emails on BetMGM. Now, if you've not been receiving emails on BetMGM, it's actually quite very simple to fix it. Now, first of all, if you go to the official help section, they simply say here that your email preferences have been enabled. So you can click on the hamburger menu from the top left and go to profile. From there, you can go to settings. From here, you can turn on email communication because if this is disabled, you will not receive it. Even if you have enabled this and you're not receiving emails on your inbox, you simply have to make sure it is the correct inbox, and sometimes it could be sent to the spam folder. So on the left hand side, go to the spam folder and see if you received any sort of emails from BetMGM, and there you should be able to find whether or not you received an email. And this way, you should be able to go ahead and then basically fix not receiving emails on BetMGM. One is via the email preferences, the other is via the junk folder or the spam folder. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.